First thing I'm gonna do is pull the disconnect here. Hey guys, I'm back here at the Rheem RPMD 048 JAZ heat pump. It's a 4-ton heat pump. I'm gonna do a little work on it today. It's not been cleaned up in a long time, so before I do anything and recheck my pressures for the final, I'm gonna clean it up good. Let me get that started, guys. The owner actually cleaned up made a little trough with condensation to run in for me. That's nice, because I said something about having to stand in a big old lake of water, so he dug me a trench where it runs on out around there now. Kind of a bad place for a condensate drain, but I guess that's the only place they had to put it. Guys, I got the fan off, and there's a fresh wasp nest there. He said he saw a wasp going into it, so I said, well, if you don't mind trying to kill him before I get there, so it looks like he did. Okay guys, I got the outer louvers off. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. It always looks dirty once you get the louvers off. This is a double roll coil too, so all the more reason to really keep it clean. I'm definitely going to flush this one from the inside, because I sure don't want to wash stuff back in between those two coils. Yeah, she's pretty dirty, guys. I'm gonna give it a good brush with my Steven brush here. This is a great little brush. Probably just do this and not even wash it, but it's never had any coil cleaner, so I think what I'll do is brush it good and then wash it. That way I won't be washing any grass and dirt back into the coil, because like I say, it's a double row. I better start from top down until I get all that grass off there. Look at that, it cleans it right off, guys. A lot of that grass sticks on there and falls out over time, I guess. Perfect little brush. Look at it fly. Okay guys, I'm not going to film that all the way around. It's going to take me a little bit, but I'll be back. That guy, it's even dirty on the front side. Guys, look at this. It even pushes dust through the other side of the coil. Look. See that? I'm brushing through 2 rows of coils here. So I guess I'll definitely wash this to get that dust out of the inside of it, because it is pretty bad. It's really bad back here around the compressor. That little brush gets right in there. I tried to do this the other night with the coil louvers on, but I couldn't get to it. But I can kind of get to it with the cover off. This thing's gonna be clean, clean, clean. Okay, here we go, guys. The first coil cleaner this unit's ever seen. I don't have a lot of water pressure here, but I think we'll get the job done. Might actually not waste quite as much coil cleaner. Okay guys, there she is, all cleaned up. It's a whole lot better. Whole lot better. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it back together now.